unbox something. Where are the boxes? They run in fear from me. I can't use this. Oh, what's this? This has to be some sort of tool, right? It's a box cutter. This is it. This is my tool of choice. This is my show now. Welcome to Unbox This. What's up, y'all? It's Tori here, coming back at you with another episode of Unbox This. Today, we're going to be looking at the Corsair Xeneon 32-inch monitor. This monitor has lightning-fast speeds, incredible picture quality, and crazy precision. After all, that's definitely the thing that makes you game better, right? But for me, the big selling point is the refresh rate. As you start growing as a gamer, you're going to notice a difference when you upgrade to something with a great refresh rate. And spoiler alert, this monitor goes up to the triple digits. And we'll talk about more about what that means in a bit, but for now, let's unbox this. You can still see me, right? Trust me, my box cutter has the power here to unbox something this hefty. Ooh, styrofoam. Looks like here is gonna be your monitor stand. Oh, heck yeah. All right, you got your fancy dancy monitor stand. You got all the possible cables you could possibly need. This one, I'm guessing, has to be the wall mount. Or, surprise, a nice little bonus robot arm is what I'm thinking. You have your adjustable mount. And lots of styrofoam that you can keep and make snow with. And then this baby is the monitor itself. It almost feels too special to touch it. Ooh, Xeneon! No more packaging necessary. It's monitor time. Let's start off talking about speed. If you're a gamer who cares about precision, this is going to be a great addition to your setup. This monitor comes with a 144 Hz refresh rate and an incredibly fast 1 ms Mprt, or moving picture response time. Gotta catch my breath for a second. What does that mean for your game? If you've never tried a monitor with this kind of response time, it basically means all of your input commands, like from your mouse or keyboard, are going to be way faster than any other monitor you may have used. 144 is way up there for an affordable monitor, and you're going to notice the difference right away. Now, how great is this picture going to look? Y'all, it's going to look so freaking good. This has an ultra slim 32-inch UHD 4K display. It has an IPS LED panel with wide 178-degree viewing angle, 100% sRGB and Adobe RGB color space, and the HDR600 offers enhanced brightness and color. It even has something called quantum dot technology so that every image displayed looks super real. I miss Jeremy. I wonder if he's around. It feels like he's in the same room with me right now, the way this looks. Jeremy? Now let's talk connectivity. These come with one USB 3.1 Type-C port with DP alt mode, two HDMI 2.1 inputs, and one DisplayPort 1.4 input, two USB 3.1 Type-A ports, and one USB 3.1 Type-C port. They're compatible with 100mm by 100mm VESA mounts, and it has a built-in camera mounting point as well. For my favorite part, the peel moments. Cue the sexy music. Be gone. Oh, that one's nice. Who wants the pile of scraps? Who wants it? Shop for one at the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell. I'm Tori, thanks for watching. We just opened the tape on this, opened up all of the plastic parts, took the monitor out, assembled it, undid all the peel moments, and then put it on the table. Bye!